Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a really special recipe video, and today's episode is being sponsored by the kind folks from Dharma dolls. Today I have with me one of their dolls. This is the Durga Devi doll. Here she is, Mother Durga sitting upon the tiger. Mother Durga is just one of the many Devis that we as Hindus worship. So guys, this doll was especially created for the youngsters in mind. And the best part about it is when you press on the tiger's tummy, what is going to happen is it's going to play all the bhajans associated with this Devi. So it's such a great way of introducing these bhajans to your kids, and they get to learn it from that very small age. And it's soft and it's cute and it's cuddly that they will want to play with it. So sit back and relax. Let me share with you all today's recipe. And today's recipe is for fruit and nut sweet rice. So let me share this one with you all and let me show you how easy it is to make. All of the information to purchase the doll will be found in the description box. So thank you guys so much for joining me, and thank you to Dharma Dolls for sponsoring today's episode. To start this recipe, we're going to start with our washed white rice. We're placing that into a saucepan. To that, I'm adding in a few pods of cardamom and 1 cinnamon stick. I have 1 cup of rice, and to 1 cup of rice I'm using 4 cups of water. Add the water in, and then I'll add in a tablespoon of ghee. The ghee makes it really rich and luxurious, so try it and you'll thank me later. Give that a mix and bring it up to a simmer. Once it comes up to a simmer, you're going to continue to cook it until the rice grains are just starting to get tender. I like to still see the rice grain, so I don't let it cook until it's very mushy. So once you feel a little bite in the center of the rice grain, you'll know that it's ready for the ginger. So we'll add in the ginger and give that a mix. We're going to let this ginger cook in here for about 1 minute. It's going to flavor the rice, and of course if you wanted to skip the ginger or add less, you can. Next, we're going to add in our evaporated milk. I'm going in with an entire can, and sweetened condensed milk. Now you can add as much or as little sweetened condensed milk as you like. Remember, if you're making this for puja, you cannot taste it to tell if it has enough. So I would say go with a half of a tin. Give that a mix and allow it to cook for 1 more minute. And next we'll add in our dried cranberries and raisins. Give that a mix, and you see how it's starting to thicken. Now this is the consistency I like it, and as the fruits sit in that hot milk, it's going to plump up, so you don't have to cook it further. And at this point, it's now ready. All you have to do is allow it to cool down and then empty it out into your serving dish. I'll show you. Look at the consistency when it cools down. The perfect consistency. I don't like it very runny, and I don't like it overly thick. So this is just the consistency I'm going for. Garnish with chopped pistachios and sliced almonds. I put on a few rose petals for decoration purposes. And now it's time to use it for your puja. So here you have it, fruit and nut sweet rice, an amazing recipe for you all to try this fasting season. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Remember, the link to purchase this Durga Devi doll will be in the description box. They have lots more dolls coming soon. This is just the first doll that they have for us. So guys, if you purchase the doll, comment down below so others can know just how amazing the doll is and how perfect it is. And if you have one, also comment and let us know what your toddler thinks about it. So thank you all so much for joining me. Thank you to Dharma Dolls for sponsoring this episode. Go check the link in my description box where you can make a purchase. Have a good one, everyone. Bye.